took the cookie from the cookie jar. He took the cookie from the cookie jar. Who, me? Yes, you, not me. Then who? Horse. Who took the cookie from the cookie jar? Horse took the cookie from the cookie jar. Who, me? Yes, you. Not me. Then who? Rooster. Who took the cookie from the cookie jar? Rooster took the cookie from the cookie jar. Who, me? Yes, you. Not me. Then who? Sheep. Who took the cookie from the cookie jar? Sheep took the cookie from the cookie jar. Who, me? Yes, you. Not me. Then who? Cow. Who took the cookie from the cookie jar? Cow took the cookie from the cookie jar. Who, me? Yes, you. Not me. Then who? I took the cookie from the cookie jar, and a little mouse took a cookie from the cookie jar. Who, me? Yes, you, not me. Okay.